In this video, I will help you discover where you can find Amazon promo codes. So let's make your shopping experience a breeze with some fantastic deals. So step 1, swing by the Amazon's coupon page. Just simply head over to the Amazon official coupon page and you will find a range of discounts and promotional offers spanning different categories. So just go ahead and pick a coupon you like and the discount will automatically apply when you check out. Now, for this next step, this is for the kind of person who often shops for various things at Amazon. You may want to take a look at the Subscribe and Save program. This program often gives you extra discounts and promo codes for the things you decide to subscribe to. This is like a special perk for those who likes to keep things on their shopping list regularly. So set it up, pick up your usual item, and enjoy those additional savings that come your way. Now for those Amazon Prime member, consider yourself lucky. Prime members often get exclusive access to special deals and promotions. Just keep a close watch on events like Prime Day, as this is notorious for rolling out a bunch of discounts that you can take advantage of. And then lastly, make the most of Amazon email alerts by subscribing to Amazon newsletters or turning on deal alerts. This guarantees you will get timely notifications about upcoming promotions, discounts, and exclusive offers. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you will level up your skills in finding and using Amazon promo codes, enhancing your shopping experience and making those savings even more rewarding. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.